equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our tutorial on changing the battery in your Conga 1099. Today, we'll take you through each step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of the process. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a replacement battery that is compatible with the Conga 1099. Begin by turning off your Conga 1099 and unplugging it from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely powered down before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Now, you'll see the battery compartment. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. Using your soft cloth, clean the interior to ensure a good connection with the new battery. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the help you need. Next, carefully disconnect the old battery. There will be connectors that you need to unclip. Make sure to note how the old battery is positioned, as you'll want to place the new one in the same way. If you're unsure, take a quick photo for reference. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the same clips. Ensure it's secure and properly seated in the compartment. Once connected, double-check that there are no loose wires or connections. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to test the device. Plug it back in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. If all is well, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press it down until it clicks into place. Then, take your Phillips screwdriver and replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the panel. Finally, give your Conga 1099 a final wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. Congratulations, you've successfully changed the battery. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider our services for future repairs. Remember, with no calls and no travel, we make it easy for you to keep your devices in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.